Alright, I want to show you the difference here of some of these knives here. Okay, so we got my two style of knives right here, the Anvil knives. Then you got a Benchmade here, and then you have a Vipertec. So you can see here, there's Vipertecs, here's Benchmades. Again, there's their Benchmade mark. There you go. And then you got Anvil knives. And of course, the other Anvil knives that's not carbon fiber. Alright, so we've got a weigh scale here. And I wanted to show you it's at 0 grams right now, the differences between these. So you've got my full aluminum with 440 steel on the inside of the blade. So we'll put it on here. Okay, 96 grams. Take it off. Go to 0. We'll do the carbon fiber one. 86. Right there. Then we'll go to the Benchmade. Now keep in mind, 84, 85, 85. Keep in mind though, this does not have the pommel on the back end. So, as you can see here, this has the pommel. So if we take that pommel off, this blade will be a little bit lighter than the Benchmade, you know, $360 to $460 knife here. Lastly, you have the Vipertec, which is made out of solid steel. It is majorly heavier, you know, massively heavier. But also, the blade itself is bigger. If you look at these in comparison, you know, that's a big difference there. And then even when you take into consideration this one here, you know, it is what it is. Let's grab this last one right there. So you can see you've got the different styles of blades. Now, some would say, well, I want it really heavy. Well, the problem about this heavy one here, you know, you can pick this one up at, you know, Vipertec. I'm not like advertising for them, but you can pick this up at there. That's a carbon fiber style. It's about, I think it's $139, $149. But man, when this thing is in your pocket, it is weighing you down massively. That is why you buy a really nice knife, which is Benchmade. They stamp their name on it. Means it's really nice, kind of like the Glocks of the world of guns. Okay? Real sturdy, all aluminum, same style. Then you have the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber, about 1 gram less, not very much, but completely durable. You cannot scratch this, okay? Or you can scratch it, but it doesn't break, doesn't dent. You know, you can put a knife to it and scratch it. Obviously, that's why they have these little grooves in there that we've scratched into it, you know, to make it nice and flush on the edges. So that's the biggest difference. And then you can have the aluminum. This compares to this right here. Basically the same exact thing. You can tell that our components on the inside are obviously a little bit heavier because it's almost the exact same heaviness, but yet this is thicker, you know. Ours is a little bit longer, and then we do have the pommel on the back end. The skull crusher back here, and then you've got the blade as well. So those are the differences there. If I had a Vipertec here, it would be very similar to the layout of this one, how curvy she is. And actually, if you ask most people, when you put this in your hand or you put this in your hand, it feels nicer. It feels easier to grab. It flows a little bit nicer through here. But again, it's up to your own choice of what you want to do there. All right, there we go.